You think you're free of religion, you're just free of choice. Welcome to the state's favorite magic trick, pretending neutrality is a vacuum. It's not. It's a loaded gun wrapped in a library card. Let's bury the first brain rot myth. That secularism just sits back and lets everyone do their own thing. Skill issue. The state doesn't step back. It steps in with a megaphone and a mandate. You call it tolerance. I call it ideological force projection. The left will scream that religion is the real oppressor. Cute, but watch how they govern. They don't dismantle the machinery. They just swap the priesthood for the bureaucracy. Same dogma, different uniform. Here's the technical reality. Demographic velocity. When a state mandates secular education, it doesn't erase faith. It outsources it to the family, or worse, the algorithm. And algorithms don't care about your soul. They care about retention metrics. The right will clutch their pearls and cry about lost tradition. Delusional coping mechanism. You're not mourning the past. You're mourning your loss of cultural monopoly. Secularism didn't kill your tribe, it just put it on a waiting list. Let's talk constitutional loopholes. The First Amendment was built to keep the state out of the pulpit. But guess what? The state never left. It just moved to the public square. Now it funds the narrative warfare. They sell you choice. But try opting out of the school curriculum. Try skipping the mandatory sensitivity training. Try ignoring the cultural osmosis. You can't. The state doesn't ask. It just assumes compliance. The progressives will call this progress. The conservatives will call it decline. Both are missing the point. It's not progress. It's not decline. It's administrative consolidation. You're not citizens. You're data points in a cultural spreadsheet. Feel that spiritual anxiety. That's not a glitch. It's the friction of a vacuum trying to swallow a soul. We traded pews for polling stations. We traded confession for customer service. And wonder why we feel so hollow. They claim secularism brings peace. Peace, please. It just standardizes the conflict. Now everyone fights over the same rulebook, just with different vocabulary. It's ideological whack-a-mole with better graphics. The tribalists will demand we go back. Back to what? 1950? 1980? You can't uninvent the printing press. You can't uninvent the internet. You're trying to patch a skyscraper with duct tape. So next time someone calls secularism neutral, ask them who wrote the rules. And then watch them short-circuit. Because neutrality is just a dogma that forgot it's a dogma. Comment below if you're still awake.